Hey guys, Scope on my rope here. I just wanted to jump in before you all get into the video. I did run into a small technical difficulty. There is no sound on the gameplay, so you will just have to hear me rant. So bear with me, I will fix it in the near future. Peace out, enjoy the video. What's going on, guys? Scope my rope here. Today we're going to be playing some more Call of Duty Mobile. Today we're going to be playing Team Deathmatch. If y'all are new here, make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And without further ado, let's get into this. See what our first game on's looking like. See if there's any tryhards on this morning. There probably is. A bunch of little children on the bus. Probably playing on their little iPhone. About to smack my ass before they go to school. Probably not really, but ew. We already get the map I least favor. I personally don't like this map. I hate it. I mean, if you're using just snipers and the other people are using snipers, it's not bad, but I just hate it. He's shooting at me. Damn, there's a guy behind me. Oh, what? Oh, I didn't even see that douche back there in the little hidey hole. Turn my volume up so I can hear these people. Bitch. Give me that revenge. Yo, where the fuck was that? The hell? I think bro's coming back to get in his little spot. I'm hearing somebody around here though. I think he's up here. Yeah, look. Damn it, fell down. Ooh, no, it didn't. Oh, shit, my own dog scared the fuck out of me. Shit, he's right there. Bitch, get shit on. Thinking you gonna camp up here. Fuck you think you are. Ooh, he pissed now. What? I don't know which one he's in. He's up top. I see that dickhead. Fuck. Scared the shit out of me, actually. I seen his little bitch ass. Eat that, motherfucker. I'm gonna push here. Oh, trip mine, wasn't it? Yeah. Fuckers. These guys are playing somewhat smart this round, really. I see that. Damn it, I knew he was back in that hole. Like a little bitch. I'm gonna go for it and get him. There. I think he's upstairs. Ah, I hit the leaderboard screen. What? That fucked me up so hard. Damn, bro. Came around with the mini. Got me again. These guys are just camping their ass off, dude, because they know they're getting wrecked. It's the only way they're living. Shit. Ah, I got the doors mixed up. Wow. Shit, like a little bitch nigga's back in his spot over there. Motherfuckers. We won. Damn near every kill they were sitting in the building. Don't play like them. Because they suck. You can camp to an extent. A small extent. You can sit there for like a little bit, get a couple kills, run off. But don't just sit there the whole fucking game and just find your corner and sit in it. Like, come on. Get back in cover. Kind of digging this gun. Low key, kind of good. They don't lag. Probably could have got that other guy. I hit a fucking massive ass leg spike. Damn. Ooh. Dang. Hit me with that shredder. That was close. I should be dead. Of course, the dude with the gloves comes in fucking like Rocky. Come here, bitch. Oh, what? Motherfucker. Dude, somebody kill that guy, bro. I think he is Rocky. You should be dead from that wall bang. Same with you. Fuckers. Damn, they're catching up. I ain't quit goofing. Shit. I didn't see them up there. It's alright, we'll take care of him. One of these bad boys. I blew up something up there. That pissed him off. Just stirred the hornet's nest. It's alright. I got another firework for his ass. Damn it, it missed. Bro's fucking holding. Oh, they won too. Wow. That was a better game than the last game. Of course, old boy is from the camper. The fucking campers, dude. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this one. If y'all made it this far in the video, make sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.